Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the sales manager at Arborgreen at the moment. We work with landscape contractors and councils that are frustrated with the challenges of getting their hands on natural ground planting tools and materials.
I'm Craig Fry. I'm the sales executive at Arborgreen.
Martin Churchman, also a sales executive here.
I speak with customers to consult and guide on the best possible solution for their project to maximize value for them and increase overall GP for us.
Huge lack of clarity. As a salesperson, I'd go out, I wasn't super clear on what we were doing for customers. Yeah, we sold a product, but the challenges and issues, the pain and gain was something we weren't very clear on. The process of questioning wasn't set out. We had a fuzzy sales process with no clear steps, no clear processes to follow in each stage of that. And I felt that we were losing huge opportunities. We didn't have the ability to differentiate ourselves from our opposition, which meant we lost big customers and, well, didn't lose. We couldn't get these big customers and big opportunities.
Before SalesStar, I had a huge lack in confidence due mostly to speaking and learning techniques and the actual sales process itself not being as defined as it could be.
Primary reason I engaged with SalesStar was to build a great sales process, provide the capability for staff to skill up and become greater than they are, and to give us better clarity around sales, the science of sales. Solution to me that SalesStar brought was understanding the science behind the sales. So those first 2 days we broke down the sales process. We coached on the STAR questioning processes. We set sales KPIs and goals and really understood the value that we brought to the target markets, each of our separate target markets. We broke them down. And then the second day, we actually mapped the process and started to put steps in place that needed to be accomplished throughout the sales process.
We do the sessions each morning, which help to keep us sharp on our techniques, and we obviously do the role plays, which is strongly encouraged through the SalesStar program, just amongst ourselves. So we're often, critiquing each other on things we could do better, and also, recognising the things that we do well as well.
And we have the daily coaching, I guess you can call it a ritual, every morning. We do coaching, we role play. It's built a strength in the team, and I do believe I've seen a growth in the maturity and capability of the team.
The biggest thing that made an impact for me was we did the first couple of sessions with Paul. He helped us through the initial training. We did all that. That was great, big group. But then the focus shifted to training our actual current manager to become a better manager and help us achieve our sales goals.
SalesStar really showed me there is a process that you need to follow, from looking for the new leads to being able to, massage them through the whole pipeline, becoming a win or a sale. And SalesStar really helped me understand the clarity around each of the steps and how important it is not to skip and go from hunting to trying to close. There's a certain process that you need to go through, and SalesStar really portrayed that for me in a way that I've never seen before.
Totally agree.
Yes, we have seen an impact in SalesStar on the top line sales. We have, with the process and actually bringing value to our customers, being able to express the value that we bring to our customers and differentiate ourselves. I've seen the sales team being able to pull across deals that, to be frank, I've been working on for years.
So mindset definitely improved tenfold. Looking at the KPIs, having a more clear definition of what I need to be achieving to achieve my sales budget.
I have found working with SalesStar very easy. The coaching platform they provide provides the coaching for each of the staff to work through in their own time, but it also provides me as the internal coach with the coaching kits and handbook to follow, which allows us to focus on the small pieces of coaching. The STAR questioning process is broken up into a coaching session on situational questions, a coaching session on tension questions, and so on throughout the process. Every step of the process is broken down into coaching, which in my leader, I guess, as a coach, I can keep going back to those as needs be. There's the coaching around mindsets, which I've probably seen as the biggest impact. Understanding the mindset or the will, as Paul often says, it's not the will to sell, it's the will to succeed. We can apply it across life and grow and develop as people far beyond just selling. Our customer service team actually ran through the first part and do get involved in some of the training in the office to upskill them into the questioning process for incoming calls, where they may have passed them off to the sales team previously. Now they can ask the questions. And Kara, she's an excellent customer service rep. She just closed a $98,000 deal herself without having to pass it over to someone else. And if that's not excellence, what is?
Don't think about it, just do it, because the outcomes that you get, both individually and then as a team, are just, you can't really put a figure on it, can you?
You got to go whole hog. You got to leap of faith and trust the method, do the training, learn things, input the learnings practically, and go from there.
I guess the biggest questions we had here were the costs, but once we've actually implemented it, it's something that it's never going to go away. It's always going to be that we've embedded the sales processes, we've embedded the coaching, we've been able to keep going back, and we've now been able to, as a coach, learn how to coach on mindsets, which has developed so much beyond just the 12 months or whatever of payments that we're going to be doing. I would suggest anyone that doesn't have very clear goals around sales to do it.